Now, we already discussed about Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 2. Then now let us look at Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1. So here is the definition. First of all, I just want to let you know that Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 actually provides the connection between the integral and derivative. You'll notice that in a minute. Okay, you will see the connection between integral and derivative. Here is the definition. If f is continuous on AB, on the interval AB, then the function g defined by f of x equals a to x f of t dt, x lies between a and b, is continuous on the interval AB and differentiable on the interval AB, and f prime of x, see capital F prime of x equals a to x small f of t dt equals f of x. All you need to do is replace this t by x, that's it. Okay, so the fundamental theorem of calculus tells us that if we have a of x f of t dt equals f of x, that's it. So you replace this x by t. That's the formula if x is there. Now, sometimes if you are given a to u of x, some other functions of x, f of t dt, then in this case, the formula will be f of, now t is replaced by that. All you need to do is, just replace that t by whatever is there. So f of u of x, and then you need to find the derivative of this. Here also you need to find the derivative of this, which is 1. And here you need to find the derivative of this. It may not be 1, it may be something different. So that's the formula. The proof of the formula is not required for this course, even though we do the proof in, for another math, for math 152, but the proof is not required for this course. Let's quickly do some of the problems here. Find the derivative of f of x for the following. So part A. F of x is given 0 to x square root 1 minus t squared dt. So according to this formula, okay, you see this formula right here? According to this formula, all you need to do is you write f of, replace this t, whatever the variable is, by this one. So basically you will get f of x, which means the derivative will be f of x. That's it. So that means square. Remember here f of t equals square root 1 minus t squared. That is your f of t. Now all you need to do is you need to write f of x. So f of x will be 1 minus x squared, done. That's it. Okay. Now let's try part D. F of x equals 1 to x 1 over t cubed plus 1 dt. All you need to do is you need to figure out what is your here f of t equals 1 over t cubed plus 1. Okay, this is your function here, f of t. Therefore, your derivative f of x is going to be f of x, which is 1 over x cubed plus 1. Done. That's it. Any questions so far? Now let's try part C. The part C is a little tricky. Okay, part C is f of x is given to be 0 to x cubed sine t square dt. So here f of t equals sine t square. This is your f of t. Now notice that this one is not simply x, it is a function of x. So we can write this as u of x. So here this one is this, and u of x equals x cubed. So this is given. So what is the derivative? According to the formula, Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1, it means that f of u of x, u prime of x, right? That's the formula that we have written here. So let us substitute the value. Now I want you to find f of t equals sine t square. So f of u of x means x cubed. F of x cubed is what? U of x, remember, f of u of x, f of u of x, u of x is x cubed, which means f of x cubed equals sine t, means replace that x t by x cubed. So this will be t is replaced by x cubed over square, okay, raised to power 2. So that's going to give me sine x power 6. So this guy is sine x power 6. Now you need to find the u prime of x. So what is that u prime of x? U prime of x. And u of x equals x cubed. So your u prime of x equals 3x squared. So this will be 3x squared. That's it. So you may want to write this in a nice way, 3x squared sine x power 6. Done. That is your answer. Okay. You see, the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 actually gives a really nice connection between integration and differentiation. And okay, I trust that you can do this part B by yourself.